Hello students, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Rawal BBA College, Vapi. Our subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to semester 3rd in your SYBBA. Today in this section we will learn about the steps in strategic planning. In previous video we have already learned about the meaning of strategic planning. What was meant by strategic planning? Strategic planning means a set of action by moving organization where we are today and where we want to go in future. So let's understand the steps of strategic planning. The steps of strategic planning include strategic formulation, strategic implementation, and strategic evaluation. The application of strategic planning in business is well thought out your plan. The application in strategic planning is nothing but a well decide about the plan. First is your strategy formulation, second is strategy implementation, and third is strategy evaluation. Let's learn each step in details about your strategic planning. The first one, the strategic formulation. In the formulation of strategy, the business need to assess its current situation by performing and analyze both internal and external environment. स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर्मुलेशन करने से पहले बिजनेस को अपनी करंट पोजीशन क्या है वो एनालाइज करना होगा और उसकी बेस पे कौन से बेस पे इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट को एनालाइज करके अपनी करंट पोजीशन क्या है, करंट सिचुएशन क्या है, वो अपने हिसाब से वो एसेस करेगा जिससे उसको पता चले कि कैसे वे में उसको स्ट्रेटेजी प्रिपेयर करनी है. Strategy formulation also involve identifying the organization's strength and weakness as well as opportunity and threat. That is nothing but a SWOT analysis need to be done. Whenever you are formulating a strategy, you need to have a SWOT analysis of the company or a business. That is strength, weakness, that is an internal assessment, and opportunity and threat, that is your external assessment, need to be done for the business for formulating the strategy. As a result, manager gets to decide which new market they can venture, how to allocate the required resources, and whether to expand its operation through a joint ventures or a mergers. इससे उन लोग को पता चलेगा कि कौन से वेंचर, कौन से मार्केट का वेंचर स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, कैसे रिसोर्सेज को एलोकेट करना चाहिए और दूसरा अपने ऑपरेशन को एक्सपांड करना है कि नहीं थ्रू अ जॉइंट वेंचर और मर्जर. ये सारी चीज डिसाइड होगी इन योर स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर्मुलेशन. After strategy formulation, the next one is strategy implementation. After the strategy formulation, the company need to establish its short-term goals and even devises policies and allocate resources for their execution. स्ट्रेटेजी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में कंपनी को अपनी शॉर्ट टर्म गोल डिसाइड करना होगा, अपनी पॉलिसी फ्रेम करनी होगी और जो भी रिसोर्सेज एलोकेट करने हैं फॉर एग्जीक्यूशन वो भी उसको डिसाइड करना चाहिए. इट इज ऑल्सो रिफर टू एज एन एक्शन स्टेज. स्ट्रेटेजी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज नथिंग बट एन एक्शन स्टेज and is an important phase for your strategic planning. In this stage, a manager interpersonal qualities need to be very sharp and need to be very critical during this stage. Because of the internal personal quality of manager is weak, then strategy formulation जो आपने किया होगा वो strategy implementation में spoil हो सकता है because of the poor implementation of strategy formulation. So, effective strategy implementation also involve developing a functional organization structure. So strategy implementation, that means that whatever strategy are being formulated and need to be implemented, that is action stage and need to be performed in this stage. After your strategy implementation, we know that we all are aware that success today does not guarantee success tomorrow. आज आपको सक्सेस मिला है, जरूरी नहीं है कि फ्यूचर में भी आपको सक्सेस मिलने ही वाला है. इस श्योरिटी साथ, इतनी गारंटी के साथ हम नहीं बोल सकते कि आज का सक्सेस कल भी सक्सेस मिलने ही वाला है. So we know that success today does not guarantee success tomorrow. Like that, business person even know that success of today does not guarantee the success of tomorrow. As it is important for every manager to evaluate the performance of various strategies after the implementation phase. मतलब इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फेज दैट इज एक्शन स्टेज जैसे कंप्लीट हुआ, आपको सारी स्ट्रेटेजी का परफॉर्मेंस को इवैल्यूएट करना होना चाहिए जिससे उसको पता चले कि स्ट्रेटेजी जिस हिसाब से फॉर्मुलेट किया उस हिसाब से वो कंटिन्यू हो रहा है कि नहीं. Strategy evaluation involve a three critical activity, that is reviewing the internal and external factors affecting the implementation of the strategy, Second is measuring performance, and third is taking a corrective steps. It means that first of all you need to evaluate your internal and external factor for your implementation of the strategy. Next you need to measure the performance, and next you need to take a corrective step so that the deviation whatever happened while formulating a strategy and implementation of strategy can be resolved. All the three steps in strategic planning occur in a three hierarchical levels, that is the corporate level, the middle level, and the operation level. So it is very important to foster the communication and interaction among the employees and manager in all the levels so as to help the firm to operate as a functional team. Strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation need to be done it very carefully so that the strategy formulate can be done in a proper way. Thank you, students.